In this stage of the workflow, we will create within the Censo Arboreo de Cali table the field or column that will contain the URL link to the GBIF backbone for each species, through which the user is enabled to consult the species record within the GBIF API to expand the biological information of each taxon. In this step, we create the field that will host the URL to access the backbone for each species, with the link to access the web page. We write alter table to modify the Censo Arboreo table and add the column GBIF backbone. The data type is a string with a maximum of 90 characters. We execute this code and the local server informs us that the field has been successfully created. Now we are going to create the URL within this column by concatenating the basic URL of the GBIF API with the unique code of the GBIF backbone for each species to obtain the specific URL for each taxon. Each taxon within the Censo Arboreo database, and link or unify the information of the Censo Arboreo de Cali with the GBIF backbone tool. We update the Censo Arboreo table and define the data contained in the GBIF backbone field or column, copying the URL that we see on the screen. And we concatenate this URL with the GBIF key field of the Censo Arboreo table, which is the content for each three species. As we can see, this is the GBIF key column. We execute this code, and with this we are going to obtain the link URL with the GBIF backbone. Thank you very much.